Hello everybody, this is lesson 2 of HTML tags. Let's go and learn some more tags in HTML. Those are the tags: division, span, section, article, paragraph, blockquote, q, abbr or abbreviation, and BDO. Let's start with division. Guys, use division is too easy, and what is for make your website partitions. For example, you have latest post in your website. This is latest post, and the next was newest post, or something else, or more, or random post. You make your website partitions with this, and you can code each part of your website inside of this tag. Guys, division by default is an black tag, and you can change display of divisions with CSS, but not now. I will teach you in the future when we start CSS, but by default this is the display of division is black. Okay guys, next to the span tags, this is span. You can write something in span, but this is not important tag. For example, when search engines crawl your website, when they see a span, they don't pay attention more to a span. This is just, for example, good for time or date or something like that. I will show you. Okay guys, sorry, I went to find a website to show you where they use span tags. Okay, I inspect this one, the time of this article or news. Okay guys, did you see this is a span? They use a span for not important details. This is an inline tag, and it means you can use a span after each other. For example, new one. I run my project. Okay, did you see both of them are next to each other? But if I used division, did you see the span goes to the next line because division is an black tag. Guys, go to the next tag. This is section. This is something like division. It's introduced in HTML5, and again this is a black tag. You can make your partition of website with section. The next tag is article. This is HTML5 tag, and this is useful for SEO. What's the article? For example, imagine we have latest post part, and we have some posts here. They call the posts article. Okay, we have articles or post. For show post, we use article tags. How? Okay, at the first we have title for our post. I use heading tag. I said to you in the previous tutorial lesson, heading tags are for subject. For example, I write here the subject is Rita Group tutorials. After that we have image, but I didn't teach you image tag, and I don't want to use image tag here. After that we have a summary about our post. For example, Rita Group make good free HTML tutorial and more. And we have a link for more to show the post completely. Okay guys, this is an article. In article we should to use a heading, a summary, and a link, and an image, and maybe a link, but link is not important for article tag. And it's good to use, for example, an span to show the time. For example, 2023 0101. I copy this, paste. For example, this is my latest posts. Did you see? This is article, and make our posters partitions, but they have not good displays because we don't use CSS here. In future I will teach you how to make them beautiful and style. Okay, the next tag is paragraph. What is paragraph? Use P, this paragraph. You can write some more text. This is for summary or for a line text. I said to you, you can use it in article for summary or in your article content for your complete article details. Next one is blockquote. Guys, blockquote, this is a good tag for show some text from someone else or show something from another source, not your website. For example, I said Rita say HTML is a good tech. Tech is a good tech. Here we should use attribute. Guys, you can write something here in the start of your tag. We say them attribute. We have more attributes and I teach you, but in these tags I teach to you, we don't have important attributes, but I show you and teach you like this one. Now I want to teach you. What is site for? This is for say to the crawler where you found this text or this content. For example, I said https rita.com. Okay, what's this mean? It means this is a content I want to show in my site. Where I found this or where is this source? This is rita.com. Now I run my HTML tag. Did you see Rita say HTML is a good? Let's make some space here before your text, and you can again use Q tag. This is something like blockquote to show more specific blockquote here. Okay, I said Rita is the one. Now you can see HTML or browser show my content inside of quotations. This is more specific than blockquote. I think you can use it only. Did you see? You can use it only, but it's better to use it in blockquote. The next tag is abbr or abbreviation. What is abbr? For example, I wanna write abbr. Okay, guys, close the tags, and I wanna write RTG. What does this mean? This is abbreviation of Rita group. HTML. I just write RTG. You write this in abbr. This is in my division. And guys, you can add an attribute to abbr, but the name is a title attribute, and set Rita group. Did you see it's make underline with dotted style, and when user hover this show this mean Rita group. This abbreviation, they are easy tags. And then last tags I want introduce to you is BDO. What is BDO, guys? BDO, it has an attribute, call it direction or write it there. I use Visual Studio Intelligence, but in this way, when I didn't use Visual Studio Intelligence, I should to write direction manually. Okay, guys, I remove this, and here I want to write Rita group. Okay, guys, we have two type of direction, RTL or LTR. What this mean? Left to right or right to left. When I set it in right to left, it should HTML write our text from right to left. You can see the result here, Rita group. Did you see? It shows messed up, but it's not messed up. It's just right from right to left. Now I wanna set it LTR, and it will be okay. Guys, the tags are finished. I think we have some more tags, but they are update tags and good tags and useful tags. In the next lesson, I wanna teach you something else. I think in the next lesson, I teach you tables. What is old and practical in HTML. Okay guys, have a good time. Please subscribe our channel and make us happy. Goodbye.